Today we are gathered to celebrate the graduation of Senior Leader Course, Class 23005. For the past 3 weeks, these NCOs have studied and applied leadership skills such as counseling, mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem solving to give them a foundational knowledge of effective leadership as a senior leader in their respective Army National Guard recruiting and retention battalions. The guest speaker for today's ceremony is Sergeant Major Matthew Roberts, HR Division Sergeant Major. Sergeant Major Roberts entered the United States Army National Guard on October 9, 1998 in Eugene, Oregon. He attended basic combat training and advanced individual training at Fort Benning, Georgia as a United States Army infantryman. His assignments include Headquarters and Headquarters Company, 2nd Battalion, 162nd Infantry, Oregon Army National Guard, Charlie Company, 2nd Battalion, 162nd Infantry, which he deployed to Kuwait with in 2000, Alpha Company, 2nd Battalion, 162nd Infantry, with which he deployed to the Sinai in Egypt to support the Multinational Force and Observers Mission in 2002, and Charlie Company, 1st Battalion, 186th Infantry, which he deployed to Iraq with in 2004 in support of Operation Iraqi Freedom II. After returning from Iraq, Sergeant Major Roberts began his assignment as an R&R NCO in the Oregon Army National Guard Recruiting and Retention Battalion. Sergeant Major Roberts has served in several duty positions to include Rifleman, Team Leader, Squad Leader, Instructor Writer, Training Development Liaison, Reserve Component Liaison NCO, Senior Reserve Component Liaison NCO, Senior Reserve Component Career Counselor, and Reserve Component Command Career Counselor. He currently serves as the Army National Guard Recruiting and Retention Division Sergeant Major, National Guard Bureau in Arlington, Virginia. Sergeant Major Roberts is a graduate of all non-commissioned officer professional development courses and all available courses pertaining to the 79 Tango MOS. He earned his bachelor and master's degree of business administration at Post University and is currently pursuing a Doctor of Strategic Leadership degree at Liberty University. Sergeant Major Roberts is married to Catherine E. Roberts and has 2 children, Tyler and Elisa. Ladies and gentlemen, Sergeant Major Matthew Roberts.
Good morning, Senior Leader Course. But you guys are going to leave me hanging on that one. I want to start out by thanking the PEC command team, Colonel Cherry, Command Sergeant Major Snow. He's not here today. He's at another change of command, I believe, on the eastern side, WTC, I believe, as well as Colonel Ferguson, the SMTB commander, and Sergeant Major Ferrara. Appreciate you guys inviting me to come out here. It's an honor. This will be my last graduation speech prior to my retirement, so I'm super excited on 2 different fronts. I get to be here for you, to wish you welcome, a great graduation, but knowing that this is my last opportunity to do this is also pretty exciting and humbling in itself. It's a pretty great experience as you guys traverse through and have the greatest job in the Army. I'll say that again. You have the greatest job in the entire Army, to be a recruiting and retention NCO for the Army National Guard. Think about that. Some of you have been doing this for a few years. Some of you would do this for a few more years. Now, my goal today is to keep this shorter than my bio. Appreciate you reading that entire thing, Sergeant Larson. And we got an opportunity yesterday to speak to the 1st and 2nd Platoon for approximately 75 minutes, all encompassing. So I'm not here to impart a bunch of wisdom on everybody. You've had great SGLs to do that, and this isn't your first rodeo at the Professional Education Center, which is the best and most professional education center around. I've been to all of them for all of the components. Excuse me. And this one's pretty awesome. You got some great leadership here, great instructors, and everything we talked about yesterday. All I ask is that you take an opportunity as you go home and just reflect on what we talked about yesterday. Give it an opportunity. Think about what your future is going to be. Don't just live in the today. This FY is almost over. Most of you should have made mission. I assume that's why you're here. Do great things. I look forward to seeing what you guys do in the future. But again, I'm not here to speak any longer than my bio, so I want to shut this down. I'm here as the Strike Maintenance Division Sergeant Major to thank you for what you've done this FY, previous FYs, and in the future FYs. As you grow up and go through your journey of the enlisted rank totem pole, you're going to have more subordinates looking up to you for mentorship, being a role model, being that leader. Sergeants, today is that day. You are graduates of the Senior Leader Course. And we look forward to the great things and you wearing Sergeant First Class, Master Sergeant, First Sergeant, Sergeant Major, and Command Sergeant Major in the future. So again, I thank you, and I want to thank your families and all of your support staff and support channel that you've had through your entire careers as recruiting and retention NCOs. Continue to do great things, challenge your teammates, your peers, and your leaders when you get home with what they've either taught you or what they've stirred back within you that you already knew prior to being here at Senior Leader Course. Go home and do amazing things. Congratulations, God bless you, and good luck. Thank you.
Sergeant Major Roberts, thank you for taking the time to speak to today's graduates.